Introduction. World War II was not just a clash of armies. It was a remarkable era of technological advancement. We often recall iconic aircraft like the Spitfires, Mustangs, and Messerschmitts. But there's a parallel story about the planes that remained stuck on the drawing boards. In the dark corners of workshops, engineers and designers were conceptualizing innovations that pushed the boundaries of aerodynamics, propulsion, and materials science. Yet, many of these remarkable designs never took flight. So, what held these ambitious projects back? The age of breakthroughs. The war propelled aviation technology forward at a staggering pace. Jet propulsion, swept-wing designs, and cutting-edge aerodynamic principles were at the forefront of research. The Me-262 made history as the world's first operational jet fighter, but it's essential to look at the many experimental aircraft that never engaged in battle. In both Germany and the Allied nations, many promising designs fell victim to budget cuts or were abandoned altogether. Unbuilt marvels. The designs that could have changed the war. Take the Horten Ho 229, for example. This flying wing jet, engineered by the Horten brothers for Nazi Germany, boasted stealth characteristics long before stealth technology became mainstream. Had it reached production, it could have posed a significant threat to Allied bombers. Then there was the Messerschmitt Me 264, nicknamed the America Bomber, which aimed to reach the U.S. mainland from Europe with a staggering range of 9,000 kilometers. This heavy bomber had the potential to change the strategic game entirely, but fuel shortages combined with technical hurdles ultimately led to its cancellation. Another interesting design was the Blohm & Voss P215, conceived as a revolutionary twin-engine night fighter. Its bizarre and unconventional design promised superior performance over Allied planes, but it never progressed beyond the prototype stage. From the U.S. side, the Northrop XP-79 was an audacious design, a flying wing interceptor engineered to ram enemy aircraft using a durable magnesium alloy frame. Unfortunately, its first test flight ended in disaster when it crashed. On the British front, the Miles M52 attempted to break the sound barrier as a true jet-powered aircraft. Although it was ultimately scrapped, the lessons learned from its design paved the way for later supersonic jets like the Bell X-1. Why they never took flight. The reasons these aircraft never saw the skies are varied and complex. Many projects were stymied by limited resources, changing priorities during the war, and the underdevelopment of new technologies. In Germany, strategic mismanagement played a significant role. Hitler's fixation on creating wonder weapons diverted crucial resources from more practical military needs. Meanwhile, the Allies, despite their more organized approach, often opted to pull the plug on ambitious concepts in favor of existing proven aircraft. The legacy of these unbuilt aircraft. While these planes never made it into combat, their groundbreaking designs had a lasting impact on aviation. The Horten Ho 229 influenced future stealth bombers like the B-2, while insights gained from the Miles M52 contributed to the realization of supersonic flight. Even the innovative ideas formulated by the Luftwaffe inspired developments in the Cold War era. Conclusion. Though the conflict has long passed, the inventive spirit behind these unbuilt aircraft endures. Each of these designs stands as a testament to human creativity and ambition, machines that, despite never taking to the skies, helped mold the future of aviation.